What's happening, everybody? So here at a track rental, I can tell you that the car is running really good. The best of the day is a 1016, but she's chasing humidity and not really chasing density altitude. The density altitude earlier on was really good, but the problem was that it was very humid, at least for that density altitude, and so the car just did not run all that great. And well, at least as good as you would think based on the DA. If the air would have been drier, obviously the car would have done better, because as we've lost density altitude, so to speak, or gained really density altitude, we're actually losing humidity, and the car is getting a little bit quicker as a result. So the idea really is to try to get the car as close to zero as possible with some dry air. Yeah, I've always said plus or minus 200 feet puts you basically within the noise. So this would be, like I say, about as close as we can get to a flat zero DA for this thing. I would like to get the car to run a solid, like a 16 in that DA. It's a big ask though, but if it could pull it off, that'd be pretty sweet. The car just ran a little bit ago a 1018, but it spun in basically that same density altitude. When I say it spun, it just kind of rotated the tires a couple of times at the starting line, which kind of screwed up the pass. It jacked up my 60 foot a little bit, and it kind of took away that 1017, 1016 number that I was looking for, but it still went an 18. So that's really good. The guy just blew the tires clean off of that bike. Yeah, that wasn't pretty. Anyway, getting back to it though, this is the kind of stuff that can happen at track rentals. I mean, it just kind of is what it is. You can't really predict the weather, or you can predict the weather, but you can't do anything about it. But it's just been a weird day as far as air quality is concerned. It's been when we had great density altitude, we had a lot of humidity, and it was causing a lot of guys that were really hoping to cover a number today to be a little bit frustrated. Anyway, the data that I took on the car earlier was really good, so that's a good thing. But we're going to be pulling up here in just a second, so I'm going to get this thing flipped around. Dead hooks. Guys, I have a feeling y'all are going to be seeing the back seat here real soon. Defective camera mount strikes again, guys. Hang on, let me fetch it from the back there. Hang on, guys. Wow. I'll be over here. There we go. Not sure what it ran. The contraption's saying a 10-1 something. Of course, that pass felt amazing. Yeah, that's the thing. thing about this car, I mean, it has been real consistent all day long. Couldn't ask for any more out of this car. And anyway, I'll post up what the car ran in the I'll post up what the car ran in the comments, or the description of the video. Let's see how much she weighs real quick. Hang on. Well, I know that scale isn't right. I'm saying 4,300 pounds. I don't think it's quite that way. Anyway. Y'all have a great one. I got to wrap today up. That's a wrap.